Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going.
Recipe. So, alright, so I've been looking around YouTube, right? And I see all these ASMRs and this whole food mukbang, seafood boil and stuff. So, I never been to the, what is it, the crab boil? Seafood crab boil or something like that. I never been to that. So, I guess it's a restaurant in California or whatever. Everybody's talking about it on YouTube. At least a lot of the videos that I've seen on YouTube now is what that's what it's about. So I saw a few of them with this shebang sauce for the seafood, and I've seen some different ones, some with certain ingredients and some don't have the ingredients. They do it their own way. They add some, you know, some of their little culture tweaks to it. So that's what I'm gonna make today. The shebang sauce, Mrs. OC's way, my style, and we're gonna have a little seafood boil of our own. So I hope y'all enjoy OC fam. With some cayenne pepper, some lemon pepper, some hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, some Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, oregano, Cajun seasoning, and paprika. We also have, we're supposed to have 3 to 5 heads of garlic. I just bought a whole, you know, peeled garlic set. You know how I do. And 4 to 5 sticks of butter. This is 4. And then I have some more butter here. So let's get started. That is about 4 heads of garlic. Okay, so we did our garlic, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a tablespoon of each one of our spices in this bowl, and we're gonna mix it up to start. Wait, I didn't tell you. We need to add a tablespoon of brown sugar. I forgot to mention this in the ingredients. our butter and just let it melt. All right, so now we're gonna add in our garlic. All of the garlic that was minced. And let it simmer for about 5 minutes. All the spices that we mixed is gonna go in. And we're gonna stir. So you remember the liquids that I said I was gonna add to this, the hot sauce and the Worcestershire? We're gonna add it right now. We're gonna keep that boiling inside the water while we put the seafood in so it can absorb the flavor of the seafood. I'm starting with the corn. Yeah, of the seafood, and you know, get that lemon flavor in. I got all types of seafood that we're boiling today, y'all. So now we're going to add the sausage. You can use any sausage you want. I'm using a smoked kielbasa today because I couldn't find no andouille. I know andouille is good in the South or anything. This is the only thing my supermarket had. Okay, so let's... Oh my goodness, I just dropped a piece of sausage. So I got some Langostinos today, just a few of them. We're gonna put them in. Also add some regular shrimp, headless. They didn't have, my supermarket didn't have shrimp with the heads. So. So let's stir everything, get it in there real good. We got a little bag here on the side. We're gonna put all of our seafood in there. Couple of minutes. I just got some snow crab legs. They're not cream crab legs, so let's just start putting them in. We don't want our crawfish to be too rough, too dry either, you know. I guess you can make the shebang sauce on the side extra and just dip your seafood in there too if you wanted to. I don't know if y'all watch B Love, but I see B Love doing that. And I see she got a whole bunch of other people making her sauce and putting the sauce on the side and just dipping and eating away. I need to take a shrimp. I'm just dying for a shrimp right now, y'all. That sauce is good. Oh my goodness, OC fam. That shrimp is good. That shebang sauce, I ain't never had it, but that's a good damn shebang sauce. See, over where I'm at, I got this crab spot called the Holy Crab Boil. And let me tell you, it's good. It tastes like, it almost tastes the same as a shebang sauce, but it's a little bit spicier. Holy Boil, they do it spicy. I like it spicy, but I ain't make this one spicy. This is good though. I just outdid myself, OC fam. Please comment, like, share, subscribe, and everything for this video. This video is worth it. All right, let's continue. Crab legs out, dip them in the shebang sauce, put them in the bag, and then we can take our squid and add that to the water to boil. Oh, look. All right, let's add our squid to this. They're already cleaned out. Smother it. Yes, baby. And throw it right in this bag. Little crawfish snappers. Sorry, y'all. I had a YouTube notification and I got transferred to YouTube. So, let's start checking up on our squid. We can start taking this corn out. We're gonna add it to our bag. Be very careful not to get burned and spill everywhere. Oh my goodness. You know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness, look at this, look at this. This is a lot of seafood. A lot of seafood. You know I'm not gonna eat this all, but we'll see how it goes. So like, share, comment, subscribe. If you got your shebang sauce in here, you know, you're gonna close it up and just shake it and make sure everything is covered in it. And then just enjoy, OC fam. Enjoy until our next